हाय अगेन। आज फोर्थ लेक्चर के लिए मिलते हैं। न्यू बैच 2025 12th स्टैंडर्ड। 3 वीडियोस तो बना चुके हैं हम लोग। होप यू हैव गॉन थ्रू दोस। वी हैव स्टार्टेड विद एक्चुअल एक्सरसाइज 1.1 ऑफ 12th M2 डेरिवेटिव्स। ओके, तो दोज यू हैव जॉइन लेट और ये वीडियो पहले बार देख रहे हो, डोंट वरी, you will be able to follow what I am talking because I will also be explaining the earlier points. Composite function क्या, derivative, every point will be repeated in every lecture. So, but it is better to see all the videos. Okay. So let us take the next one. Today I am going to take 2 problems having root sign. Derivatives of composite of root function. So I think it should be a small duration video, 15-20 minutes at the most. चालू करें? All set? Okay, देखो. Y is equal to root of x squared plus 4x minus 7. We have to find the derivative. Okay, we have to find the derivative. Root of x squared plus 4x minus 7. लिख लो. Just bring your notebooks and write. So differentiate with respect to x means take the derivative with respect to x because y is a function of x. Y is a function of x का meaning क्या है? Value of y depends upon value of x. Right hand side there is x. So differentiate with respect to x means d by dx. D by dx means take the derivative of that function. So d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of the full root function. दोनों तरफ d by dx लिया, derivative. You know this. Now which formula to be used? Smiley comes back and tells us first use d by dx of root x because main function or outermost function is the root function. ये देखो, ये root function है. So d by dx of root first. अंदर जाना नहीं पहले. Main function, root function. So root x formula naturally will be of root x because root is over here. So d by dx of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. That is the basic formula. Now at the beginning of 12th standard in video lectures, I will be writing down the basic formula to be used और उसके साथ chain rule कैसा वापरना है. That becomes more simpler. So d by dx of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Main function is the root function. तो रूट का डेरिवेटिव 1 upon 2 root x. Now based on this, let us take the derivative of this. D by dx means what? To take the derivative. So d by dx of root is what? 1 upon 2 root x squared plus 4x minus 7. Because derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, derivative of root of all this will be 1 upon 2 root. Right? लेकिन 1 upon 2 root x नहीं. Instead of x, what have you got? X squared plus 4x minus 7 है दोस्तों. Don't forget that. So 1 upon 2 root x लिखने के बाद into d by dx of x squared plus 4x minus 7. As usual, बाहर का फंक्शन फॉर्मूला यूज करने के बाद take the derivative of the inner function d by dx of x squared plus 4x minus 7. We are dealing with derivatives of composite functions. Composite यानी mixture, combination. Root function के अंदर एक और एक combination है, उसका भी डेरिवेटिव लेना है. d by dx of x squared plus 4x minus 7. Don't forget d by dx of inner function. बराबर? Now this is called as chain rule since we are forming a chain. तो क्या क्या एक शॉर्ट में लिखेंगे? Derivative of root 1 upon 2 root into d by dx of अंदर का फंक्शन. क्लियर? अभी d by dx of अंदर का फंक्शन लेने के बाद 11 स्टैंडर्ड स्टफ, ब्रैकेट्स ओपन करो. d by dx of x squared, ये ऐसे ही रहने दो, ये सॉल्व किया, डेरिवेटिव लिया इधर. what happens here? D by dx of x squared plus 4 constant बाजू को रखो d by dx of x minus d by dx of 7 derivative of any constant is 0. डायरेक्ट 0 लिखो, सिर्फ कांस्टेंट है ना, उसका डेरिवेटिव 0 है, राइट? सिंपल. जस्ट सिंप्लीफाई, लेट अस सिंप्लीफाई. सो 1 upon 2 root ये ऐसा ही है. d by dx of x squared is 2x. You know the formula. x raised to n का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? 2 comes in front, x raised to 2 minus 1. That is 2 minus 1 is 2x raised to 1 यानी 2x. 4 constant बाजू को रखा है. d by dx of x is our favorite formula. d by dx of x is 1. So 2x plus 4 आ गया उधर. Let us simplify. So 2x plus 4 you can write over here in the numerator. इसमें से 2 कॉमन है, take out 2 कॉमन, ब्रैकेट में x plus 2, and in the denominator you have got 2 root x squared plus 4x minus 7. 2 gets cancelled. So final answer is x plus 2 upon root of x squared plus 4x minus 7. Clear? प्रैक्टिस करते समय कोई डाउट है तो पूछो. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 नाउ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एक्सरसाइज 1.1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के बाद भी क्वेश्चन 2 का फोर्थ सम लिया है. दिस इज वन सीईटी प्रॉब्लम. y is equal to root of tan of root x. Let us see now. कोई घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x स्टार्ट करेंगे. d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of RHS. ओके, अभी d by dx of RHS लेने के बाद RHS में मेन फंक्शन कौन सा? आउटर, सबसे आउटर फंक्शन रूट फंक्शन. लाइक हियर outer function was root function. Same way. So because main function is root function, use d by dx of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Same formula that we have written down earlier. So derivative of this root, now see here. ये root का derivative क्या है? Derivative of that root 1 upon 2 root, लेकिन x नहीं. x के जगह अंदर क्या है? Tan of root x. You have to write that. Don't write 1 upon 2 root x. Use the formula for root 1 upon 2 root x. But you don't have x here. Tan of root x. So s के जगह कोई composite अगर है तो वो लिखना है. But formula is for root x. समझ में आया है? Be clear. Okay. So ये root का derivative लिया है 1 upon 2 root. And then d by dx of tan of root x, अंदर का फंक्शन tan, उसका भी डेरिवेटिव लेना है. डोंट फॉरगेट दैट. वी हैव टू गो टू द इनर मोस्ट फंक्शन, अंदर तक जाना है. सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस रूट इज 1 अपॉन 2 रूट हो गया है इनटू d by dx of tan of root x. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में अभी देखें क्या है. तो देखो क्या है. Okay, Smiley, we'll meet him tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Last 2 steps. dy by dx equal to ये तो लिखा ही है. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट 1 अपॉन 2 रूट, जो कुछ अंदर है वो ऐसा ही लिखना है. इनटू d by dx ऑफ tan. अभी नाउ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ tan सिर्फ tan पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो. 11th standard formula says derivative of tan x is sec squared x. You should remember all the formulae by heart, basic 11th standard formulae. Okay, otherwise you won't be able to solve. So d by dx of tan x is sec squared x. So I am taking the derivative of this tan. Derivative of tan x क्या है? Sec squared x. So derivative of tan of root x क्या रहेगा? Sec squared root x. Followed, instead of x you have got root x. Basic formula is derivative of tan. So into sec squared. Now root x. समझ में आया? So I am taking the derivative of tan as sec squared root x. Finally, instead of x there is root x. So उसका भी डेरिवेटिव वापस लेना है. d by dx of root x. So first take the derivative of the outer function. 1 upon 2 root हो गया. Then go to the inner function. Derivative of tan हो गया. Sec squared of root x. Then go to the innermost function which is again root x. So again d by dx of root x. That is how you form a chain. The chain is slightly bigger because there are 3 composite functions. Root function, tan function, अंदर वापस root function. Okay? Fine. So last step, d by dx of root x. Formula, basic formula. Derivative of root x here, thankfully. So derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, now this I will write in the numerator. 1 into derivative of tan x 1 upon 2 root, derivative of root x 1 upon 2 root x. Clear? Now this is our answer. Better way of writing, 2 into 2 is 4. LCM नहीं है, multiplication है. 2 into 2 is 4. Root x and that is our answer. समझ में आया सब? So second sum में there were 3 composite functions. Mixture, 3 function का mixture था. Start with the outer function. Yeah, start with the outer function. Go to the derivative of inner function. Tan का derivative sec squared into d by dx of root x also because x के जगह root है. That is how you get a big chain over here. And then simplify that chain by using 11th standard formula. But for that, 11th standard formula should be learned by heart. Right? So these were 2 sums for today. I told you it is a short video. Tomorrow we'll continue. Practice kar lo sums ko. We'll meet in a day or two. I can't say about tomorrow, in a day or two. Okay? Bye till then. See you.